Hindi ko talaga alam kung para ba sa akin yung pagba-vlog or hindi talaga siya meant for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Girl, every time na magba-vlog ako, kung hindi yung background noise, yung radyo ng nanay ko, aso, pusa, o manok, yung disco sound ng tito ko. Kaya kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, pagpasensyahan mo na, ante ko. Okay? Pero girl, wala na kasi akong time pa na nag-isip kung kailan mag-vlog about the Bangketa Bag Haul. Ito itutuloy ko siya kahit gaano kaingay. Alright? Not further ado, let's get started. But hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko? Please, masanay ka na sa ingay. I-subscribe mo na ako. Please lang. So, ayun. If you haven't follow me yet to my Facebook account, Instagram, YouTube, Instagram or TikTok account, you can follow me. The link is posted down below, ante ko. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, as you can see sa likodan ko is mga bags yan. Yan po yung mga bangketa bag haul. But girl, expect the unexpected. So, not further ado, let's get started. So, ante ko, kung nababother ka sa fun ko, bahala ka sa buhay mo. So, let's get start with these 3 bags that I have right here na nakapatong doon kanina. So, let's start with the Coach. So, this Coach bag is given from my tito. Hindi yung tito ko na nagdi-disco, okay? Yung tito ko na cousin ng mama ko. So this is Coach bag. I really love it because I don't know kung original ba to. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-identify ng original at fake kasi hindi naman ako ganun kasosyal para malaman kung totoo bang Coach bag ito. But anyways, it has a lot of compartment which I really like, but I haven't used this one yet. So, pwede mo siyang gawing strap or you can use this as ganyan, shoulder bag. Aray ko. Ayan, shoulder bag. Ano ba yan? Papakita ko ba talaga? Ano to? Bag haul o online selling? So that what it looks like kapag naka-shoulder bag siya. So, mas prefer ko na handbag lang yung gagawin ko dito if ever na gamitin ko man siya. And look at that. It's very, very cute talaga yung atake niya. So, it has 3 compartments and sa loob meron ring compartment. Okay. Next bag. Tinawag ko tong bangketa bag haul. It is because I got from Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada bags. So, I will link down below as well yung mga nabili ko online. So, this one, since gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng Goyard bag, kasi hindi ko siya afford. So, naganap lang ako ng medyo, ka-design niya. So, ayan. Malayang malayo siya sa Goyard. But, this is what it looks like. And gusto kong magkaroon ng pula na bag last year. So, bumili ako neto. Alam niyo ba magkano lang to? It comes with 50 pesos or 65 pesos lang siya. Wala siyang compartment sa loob, but it comes with a zipper na secured yung gamit nyo na hindi kayo mananakawan anytime, anywhere you go. So, ayan. And manipis lang yung strap ng bag niya. It's a shoulder bag as well. So, next one that I have here is ang tote bag ko. Well, actually, nakita nyo na to last year sa akin, sa mga vlogs ko. But, i-haul ko lang siya kasi this one, it's from Shopee. So, ayan, yung gentlewoman na bag. Kasi guys, hindi ko talaga afford yung mga class na mga bag na yan. Pero kapag classic ka naman magdala ng bag, so, girl, push natin yan. So, this one is a white bag with a gentlewoman design. So, wala rin siyang compartment sa loob. Meron lang siyang parang lalagyan ng coins. Ayan, yung mga keys na maliliit na madali mo lang makuha anytime, anywhere you go. So, next one is yung mga bag sa likuran ko. Let me just grab it. So, these are the Banquetas bag as well. So, let's get started. Yung sakit ng kamay ko. So, let's start with Haraka na gid ya guys. Haraka na gid ya guys. Gasamo na ang gahod sa akong nga vlog. Machismosa, may ido, madiskusyon, lintek na walang ganti. Anyways, so let's start with my everyday bag. As in, go-to bag ko siya kasi napakaganda niya, napaka-classy, napaka-generous. Ay, wow. So, I can wear this kahit anong um, atake ng outfit ko. As in, nafe-fit talaga siya. So, eto siya. Ito yung bag. Ayan. So, it drinks or it has no compartment inside because pag open mo is ganyan na siya. So let's bag rate this one since ito yung merong laman. So it comes with my PWD ID because I am cancer patient. Hindi lang halata. Next one is the antibacterial breath spray kasi ang baho ng hininga natin. And then meron akong comb here. Then, I have a red lipstick. I have Fiona cologne. So, this is my OG cologne. Charis lang. Kasi, nakita ko siya sa Lopwest. So, sabi ko, ita-try natin uli siya. Ganda talaga ng amoy. Parang bumabalik lang ako sa high school moments ko. So, let's move on with the second bag. And I got this bag nakalimutan ko, I mentioned. I got this bag from 888 Chinatown Square if you are from Bacolod City. So, second floor siya ng new building. And then, it comes with this one. It's chain. Ayan. So, gusto ko talaga is yung LV Pochette bag. But since hindi ko nga afford yung mga ganong bag, ante ko. Kaya dito muna tayo. Okay? So, it comes with, bali, dalawang bag siya. And ipapakita ko yung later sa inyo yung nakakabit sa kanya. Next one, this is my ultimate favorite. So, ito yung ginagamit ko every time na may trabaho ako or may duty ako. Kasi it's may second go-to bag as well kasi marami kang malalagay. And this is the first ever bag that I got from Mumu Select. And the best talaga yung quality ng Mumu Select. So this is the bag. It comes with this one. I got this from Mr. DIY. This is the card wallet kasi more on cards ako instead of cash. So mas prefer kong mag-cards kasi sa cash. Ayan, kapag may pera. Pero ngayon, dahil wala tayong pera, walang cards dito, wala ring pera. O ano na, subscribe na. Okay? So this one, it comes with my Coach bag. This one, this ribbon na nilagay ko para magkaroon ng anek-anek yung bag na to. Kasi favorite ko nga. Ayan, para lang may puff color siya. So nilagay ko dito yung ganyang design. Wow! Coach yun, pero LV yung design. Talaga ba? But anyways, bigay lang yun eh. Alam, magre-reklamo tayo. Okay. So, it comes with may compartment siya sa loob. And at the same time, meron siyang laman. So, meron tayong card wallet holder here, right here. But inside, we have wallets. I have this maroon wallet. I will link down below this Momo Select and this wallet. So, I got this last year, pero look at the quality. It's still good. It's still giving. It's still her. 1 year na to sa akin, guys. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, wala tayong pera. Ayan. Look at a lot of cards here and meron siyang compartment for the coins. So, this Momo Select bag, it comes with a compartment as well sa loob. Ayan. Ito yung lalagyan ng mga like jewelries or coins if ever you have. And dalawang compartment siya. Yung isa zipper, yung isa eto. So, ayan. I really love this bag kasi parang leather siya pero hindi ko alam kung paano i-identify yung iba't ibang klase ng leather. So, wag nyo akong i-bash, okay? So, ayan, yung look niya. So, next one that I have right here is yung kasama ng LV na bag. So, this is the second na kasama niya. It comes with this one. Dito ko nilalagay yung mic ko and at the same time yung earphones ko, earpods, or anything na mabilis ko lang makita or ayokong naka-mix siya sa aking mga gamit. Like that. And it doesn't come with a compartment. As in, ganyan lang siya sa loob. And then, ito yung kanyang, what do you call this? Basta yan yun. So, yan. So, again, I got that from 888. So, second floor siya ng bagong building. So, next one na meron ako dito, I got this one from Shein. This bag. So, this is the first ever Shein I got. So, nung binili ko siya, nung hindi pa siya medyo uso, I got this for 400 pesos or 500 pesos. And maganda naman yung quality niya. And magti 3 years or 2 years na to sa akin. I really love the quality. Pero wala siyang compartment sa loob. Ayan, dahil medyo matagal na to sa akin, nagkasira-sira na yung side niya. And yung also, yung ganto niya, tawag strap, medyo nagkakalawang na siya. Kalawang matawag doon. Basta ganun. Yung nag-fade na yung strap niya. Gold siya nung first. And sobrang ganda nito nung bago pa lang. Siyempre, bago pa. Malamang. So, next one, I got this bag from my mama. Yan. But you can see this. Or you can buy this, purchase this. Naman tag dyan. Check out nito sa Shopee. I will link down below. Ayan. Shopee siya. Bigay siya ng lola ko sa yung wife ng kapatid ng lolo ko. Bigay siya sa kay mama. And then, binenta ng nanay ko sa akin. Sabi ko, nakita ko yun sa Shopee. Don't me. So, ayun. Negosyante. And etong bag na to, I haven't used this one and I think ibibigay ko siya sa pamangkin ko. It doesn't come with any compartments but hindi siya giving for me because it's super liit. And the third bag that I have here is the bag that I really love also. I got this from Shopee as well and guys, the price and the quality sobrang yung price niya, I got this for less than 100 pesos. And you know what? It lasts for 2 years. It stayed for 2 years and counting. As in, maganda pa tong bag na to and hindi ko siya let go. And then, the bag that I got this year nung birthday ko is this one. This is the first 1,000 bag na nabili ko. Worth 1,000 bag na nabili ko. Ayan. This is the LV bag. So, I've been looking or I've been eyeing for a Porsche bag na dito lang mabibili. like sa mga physical store, but then it's not available. So sabi ko, eto na lang kaya parang mas bago naman yung taste ko. Pero hindi talaga siya para sa akin. Like, binili ko lang siya pero hindi ko siya nagamit. Nagamit ko siya pero hindi yung pang everyday ganon. Occasionally ko lang siya talaga nagagamit. So, but I really love this one kasi super secured yung gamit mo because meron na siyang magnet dito and then meron pang pa-zipper dyan. You can use this as handy bag, ganyan, kung gusto mong pasosyal-sosyal. And then, you can also use this as ganyan. So, minsan ko lang ito nagagamit kasi, girl, baka ma-hold out tayo ng hindi sa oras. So, ayun lang. That's it for today's video. Yes, so, medyo nakakaloka yung pag-vlog na ganito kaingay. As in, hindi naman sa nagreklamo ako, pero nagreklamo talaga ako, ante ko. So, ayun, wala tayong choice. But, at least, natapos ko yung vlog na to. Kasi pangatlong, alam niyo no guys, last time pa ako gustong mag-vlog. I mean, nag-film na ako ng mga ganito. As in, to edit and to post na lang. Pero yung background noise, it really bothers me. Kaya delete ko yung mga file ko. Pero ngayon, girl, wala na akong choice. Gusto ko talagang i-post yung Bangketa Bagwal because a lot of you is messaging me on my TikTok account and Instagram na, girl, when mo pa ipopost yung Bangketa Bag Haul? Gusto naming makita. Okay, ito na po. Ayan na po. Na-post na po. Pero, girl, thank you so much if hanggang dito, nandyan ka pa rin. Uy! But thank you for watching this video. I hope na nakasubscribe ka na sa channel ko. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye! Sorry sa ingay. Oh, sorry na. Tamang video call na to. Bye, guys.